Here today I wanted to show you this 20-inch LED light from BEAMTRON. So this is a 20-inch light. Got a pretty cool design from others that I've seen before where it just has the two lines. So we have the floods here, the spot, and another flood. Give you a closer look at how that looks inside. So the lens material is some type of plastic. The whole casing is made out of metal. These are the cooling fins for the light. And this light has bottom mounts. So it comes with these brackets, which you simply use the screws they supply, place it on the bottom, and then you're able to adjust the tilt a little bit here and there, putting them there. And then it also came with a bolt, so you can bolt it to whatever you're going to be placing these. What I also noticed on this one, it does seem to have the side mount, but it doesn't come with that hardware, so you might be able to buy that somewhere. Typically those sit right here on the side for like the larger LED light bars. Let's see what else. It also seems to have a little valve here. It must be like if condensation gets in there, it has a way to come out. But that's pretty much it. Oh, and here's the cable. This one doesn't come with a wiring harness, so you are going to have to get that. The cable is about 15 inches long, and I'll measure out the bar to see how it is. So we have 3 inches here, and then depth wise we're at about 2.5, and then the actual light bar from edge to edge we're looking at about 20.5. So a quick overview of the light. I'll show you how it looks at night. I'll take it out and install this and show you how it looks. And here's a demo of the light on. So as you can see here, I'm in my neighborhood. You can see the spot in the middle and then the floods on the side. But it does have quite a bit of throw on there, as you can see. So it's a pretty bright 20-inch light.